Today's topic is flowers with awning, day 1 of 2. I prepared a reference photo from my time in Belgium. This is a cafe, so 2 flower pots, and light is coming from upper left hand. So we'll draw flower pots taller than now. We will remove this door and this. It was late April, but it was cold outside. Here are my beautiful materials. We need 2 cups of water, Prussian blue, ultramarine deep, viridian, permanent yellow light, a crimson lake, burnt umber, and this is watercolor paper, 2 pencils, brushes, and paper towel. Let's do a simple sketch. Start with the building. The perspective is not a front view, but slanted. Do you remember 1-point perspective? The vanishing point in this photo, we cannot see, but if we continued with the lines of the building, it would be at the far right. Draw window frame. Here is the building on other side. I don't know what is this. Electric something, I think. This is light pole. Allow me to demonstrate, then follow my example. At this time, we are think of the painting composition, color, and any change we may make. I will paint the awning bluish green. The original color is too muted. What about you? What color will your awning be? You can follow my example or you can create your own. And then talk about the windows. In the daytime, the windows are dark because it's bright outside, so we cannot see inside. At nighttime, when the lights are on, it's an opposite look. This is shadow and outside. Next building, I wanna draw some block on the building. Okay, we all done sketching. Let's copy to sketch onto your watercolor paper. Start with the building in the distance. Apply water, but be careful not to include our main building so we can save negative space. Use some Prussian blue for this part of the background. Mix some of ultramarine deep and get some burnt umber. Little more ultramarine deep. Paint on the window glass. Paying attention to save a bit of negative space for the window frame. Now is daytime, so we cannot see the inside. The color is so dark. We are painting on the window glass. Ultramarine deep mix burnt umber. This shadow is coming from the shape of the top of this building. Now we are using wet on dry techniques. I think that is electric pole something. I don't know what is that, but shadow little bit make a long size. This is a flower pot shadow. We are paint on the awning shadow. Ultramarine deep mix burnt umber, or little bit more burnt umber. Oh no, ultramarine deep. We are adding on the window glass. We make it a little bit darker because it's daytime, so we cannot see inside. This is a second layer for on the shadow. Today we will paint on the shadow area. Next class we will paint awning and pour flowers. Yeah, we will finish it, this painting. Clean the brush and change it to small brush. We touch up the background with the burnt sienna and burnt umber. This is a second layer. Adding darker and stronger color on the background building. Ultramarine deep mix a bit of black. Paint on the shadow area. Today we painted the shadow area, but did not spread not much on the paper because we used to wet on dry. Windowsill shadow. Okay, we are all done with today's class. In the next class, we will finish the painting with all the details, light for flower pots and awnings. See you next time. Bye.